Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I want you to meet my puppy. His name is Storm. Baby, halika. Baby, Storm. This is my dog, my little puppy. Cute siya guys, tingnan mo. Kasing cute ng may-ari, di ba? O, tingnan mo. Ilang days na ba siya dito? I think she is 2 weeks na. Storm, ano ba? Ayun, halika rito. Halika rito. Kasi I want that they can see you. Halika, baby, halika. Come over me. Oh my God. Halika, you're very heavy na. Tingnan mo guys, ito ang aking puppy. Say hello, baby. Hello. Say hi muna. Hi. Welcome to our vlog. Ayan, ang aking puppy, guys. Ayan, yan. Yung naughty dog ko na na love ko. Ayan. Ayun. Aray. Aray ko nakikipaglaro. Chup. Aray. Diyos ko, nakikiliti ako. Ano ba yan? Aray. Ayan guys, ang aking makulit na dugi. Ayan, tingnan mo guys. Ayan yan guys, ganyan yan. Ganyan kakulit ang aking dog. Stop na. What are you doing? Why you're so naughty? Why? I bring you here inside because there's a thunder and maybe you're scared if there's a lightning later. Don't bite me. Ayan, ganyan siya guys, ka naughty. Ayan, Ayan. Ayun. Aray ko naman. Ang kulit-kulit mo naman. Aray ko. Storm. Ano siya? Ang kulit-kulit na. Star! Halika rito. Ay, Diyos ko. Ayan, tignan mo. Diba? Say hi, baby. Hi. Hello, say hi muna. Hi. Hi, say hi muna. Shake hands muna kay mama. Hello, hi. Aray ko. Ang kulit niya, guys. Siya. Ayun, nakita nyo na ang aking dog. Yan nga ang aking dog, guys. Ayun. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Kung bago lang kayo sa YouTube channels ko, I hope that you enjoy to all my videos if you're watching. By the way, guys, thank you and God bless you all. Bye!